4-hour chart. Hourly. What are you guys thinking? Bullish, bearish? Bearish. Okay. Bearish. Yeah. So I'll be bearish to here. And once maybe, well, we actually have a bullish SMT this low, but we did invert this 4-hour, probably in an 8-hour though, maybe a 12-hour. Yeah, we're in a huge 12-hour gap. So like I would be bearish here, but if order flow switches back bullish, I wouldn't mind that. Or maybe I think ES wants to go for this low though, but let's just play price here. Let's see. Dream scenario. To be honest, a short here is fine. Okay. Most obvious for value gaps of 4 and 3. It is a all-time highs. So, I mean, I'll take this, I think. What do you guys think? I don't think it's a bad short. ES took out its high. Looks like we want to go for these lows. I'll take it half size, pre-market short, without a data wick. So I'm gonna take it half size just in case, just so if this loses, I still get one more shot in market open. But yeah, break even here. Wow. Okay. Crazy. Well, there's take profit. Did I take this? I don't even remember this. Monday 18th. Does anybody remember this setup? Because I do not. Didn't I already do August? No, not 2025. I did 2024. You recall that phone? Crazy. Well, that just hit take profit in one candle. So I'd be scaling 75% out there. And then I'd hold the rest for these lows. I think we go for this low. Rest on break even. Okay. Wow, what a scale. Holy. Bottom take the scale. So, I mean, I'll play the day, but I'd probably be done. Wait, I remember this day. I remember this short failing, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, this is the day with the 5-minute short or something. Yeah. This is the day where the 1 minute didn't break, but the 5-minute broke and everybody lost on this. See, like the 5-minute closes there, and then everybody loses on this setup. And then, oh, I remember this day. This is the day, then we leave the equal lows. You guys remember? We leave the equal lows here. And then we go back up and get that 3-minute short. We go all the way back up and we get this 3-minute short. And then I took this with a banger. Wait, why did I not take this though? Maybe I just wasn't on the charts. But yeah, no, this short right here is fine. I mean, 50-minute delivery. That's your base hit. 1R. Dude, this is such a textbook setup. Like, if you guys want to know a setup to size heavy on, like, go full size, maybe even a little bit more, it's a setup like this. We left 15-minute equal lows here, or relative equal lows. We manipulated above, tapped, or swept this high, tapped that hourly gap. I mean, this is like the most textbook short I've ever seen in my life. Unfortunately, it was a break even, but yeah, so this becomes a break even, But what you could do, what I'm low-key gonna do now, so like I take this setup here, guys, right? Let's say I take this. Okay. My stop's gonna be, I need to account for the inception gap, so probably like right here. And I'm just gonna go for a 1-to-1. I'll take it half size again because I already took a half size win. So even if I lose, I'm break even on the day. Break even's right here. Okay, let's see what happens. So break even there. And then I get break even. But do you guys see this 4-minute? This draw on liquidity is really good, so I'm willing to take a chase play. So let's see. We get a rebalance of price here. The best probability trades are when you make protected high. Yeah, we make a protected high here, and we have like such an obvious draw on liquidity. Like this is so easy. Yeah, PB took the 4-minute. Or no, PB just didn't go break even. But what I would do here now is like I should have re-entered, but I remember hesitating. So this 4-minute, I think I would take this SMR. Let's say 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so I would get in there. I'd re-enter here, and because we already rebalanced this 2, I mean, you could put stop here, but I'd probably just take this light and try this. Because at this point, we already rebalanced this. You get a 4-minute breaker, 4-minute CISD here. I mean, if we violate, we shouldn't go back to this rebalance price because then we'd be violating 2 different bearish PD rays. And then I would just take this for a 1-to-1, half size. Half size, maybe because my stop's not as protected. But yeah, break even would be this low. Okay, and there's take profit. But that's a fire trade. See, like I used to make, like I was making some little mistakes on that. Technically, this 4-minute gap already broke, but you're basically just taking this break of this 2-minute plus a 4-minute breaker block, and then because you have conviction, like you can just take this half size. But like I wasn't doing half size back then, so I didn't know. But really fire trade, really good. Anyways, we go next. So you guys tell me, bullish or bearish? This is the 4-hour chart. Go to yes. Bullish. David beamed you. Yeah, I'm feeling a little neutral. I probably just gauge reaction price. I feel like ES still might want to go for this low though. But we do have an SMT, so and we are all-time highs. So I'd kind of be like neutral-ish here. I'd probably just mark out my extremities of the range and then target opposing liquidity. How do ICT? You used to be an ICT trader, you know. ICT traders, we get our buys based off draw on liquidity and what gaps are being respected and disrespected. That's how we get our buys. Oh, you signal? Yeah, basically it's just like, oh, wait, go back. I wasn't even paying attention. My bad. I'm reading chat, playing price for market open. Wait for it. It's going to go bullish. David Bindu, I don't think you could be more wrong. I'm going to be honest. We're in this hourly gap. And we have, I'm already seeing, we have LRLR here. So we have some low resistance liquidity here. So I'm probably leaning bearish. I mean, ES did leave relatively close. Let's see. These lines, this just means this is low resistance liquidity, David. I don't trade anything. I don't like take a bounce off of it. I take this trend line basically like I know when it's gonna break. There's a 5-minute short here. but it's kind of like on the trend line, like if you draw trend lines like that, but probably you could take this 5 minute short. Oh, never mind. It's invalid. Yeah. Let's play price here. Okay. Did I miss? No. Bro, David, what type of questions are these? David's my IRL, by the way. Well, not IRL, but I know him. So I just know he's just trolling. What are you talking about? Candle wicks are bigger than others. Because they are. We're going to this low. And then maybe I'll look for long, but I don't really see a setup. I mean, it's 2 minute, but you're in a 5. So I probably wouldn't have taken that. We did leave a 930 wick. 929 actually. Could see a little dump here. This 3 minute long is bad. Wait, I don't. Yeah, I feel like the long would be better here, so I probably wouldn't take this 3 minute because I feel like this 3 minutes on the sell side of the curve. So like you take this 3 minute and then you're disrespecting order flow, and we're not getting displacement off of soup. You see to the left, we're not souping anything, so we're probably not gonna be displacing here. So I think this one maybe fails. Never mind. Break even trade. Okay. I didn't see ES is actually, we're actually kind of uncorrelated, so I should probably just be waiting here. If you take this 3 minute, it's a break even, so I didn't miss anything there. I'd rather wait for this low to get taken out. So there's that low. So now I'd be looking to long probably. So there's like a 2 minute here. Okay, that didn't trigger. So no trigger there. So ES just took out its low, so this is still a good long spot. Okay. I'm probably gonna take this 1 minute. Swept up the lows, low reader for value gap. ES took out its low. Yeah, I mean this is a prime spot to be looking. Probably have an unfilled something above maybe. Unfilled 5 here, but it's paired with the order block. Yeah, so I'd probably take this 1 minute because we did get displacement off of soup, so I don't need to wait for the. And we also are in a macro. Let's make sure I'm not missing anything. 4 hour low getting souped. Yeah, I mean this is fine. I don't see anything wrong with it primarily. So I'd jump in here. I'll take this full size. I think this is fine. Who would take this? If it loses, it loses. I mean, this looks like a V-shaped soup manipulation leg. Seems like price would want to delivery, hourly gap, 4 hour gap to the left here. There's a 4 hour 2 right here. Yeah, I mean, I'll take this. I think it could work for a 1-to-1. SMT, I think there is actually. Yeah, bullish SMT as well. We're long in here because the 1 minute fair value got broke, so it inversed. So I'm gonna play price here. Okay, so there's break even. I'd go break even there. Probably gonna be a break even trade just based off this momentum. So break even trade, and you can see how the break even does save me there. So that's good. So break even does save me there. I'm still not opposed to longs here. This 5 minutes pretty good. The most obvious hard time frame gap is the 5 minute. We're holding the 4 hour. Soup that low. I could jump in this 5 and then you jump in this 5 half size and then yeah. So I'm gonna jump in this 5 because the 5 is the highest time frame, most obvious for a value gap. I'm gonna jump in here half size and then I'm gonna go I'm going to, what's the word? I'm gonna add in my position if the 3 minute breaks, I believe. Actually, am I? I feel like I'd wait for the 3 here. I'm gonna wait. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get in there. Stop low here. Target a 1-to-1. Break even here. Oh, it never closed. Never mind. Go back. I thought it closed above, so I actually would never have taken that. So 3 minute didn't even close there. I thought it did close, but it didn't. You can see how it doesn't close there. So if you take the 5 minute, it's a break even trade. I feel like the 3 was just really obvious there. I probably wanted to wait for that. 1 minute confirmation setup. It is 11:40 now, so time's not in our favor. Yeah, I'd probably go next day. Unless we soup out the slow. If we soup this low and get along, I would like that. Oh, SMT. Give a bullish SMT, this momentum's not good enough. Yeah. I'm gonna go next day. Okay, cool. Alright. What would my bias be here, guys? So we have Saint saying bullish. I feel like I would be leaning bearish because these relative equal lows make sense to get hit, and then I'd look for long. But we do have an SMT. Actually, we don't have an SMT with these lows, so yeah. I'm probably bearish here, but I would switch bullish based off market opening condition, maybe just like pump off open. But I feel like we should go hit those relative equal lows. We also are at all-time highs, so a bunch of bullshit happens. We'll see. So market, oh, never mind, go back. I don't want to play market open yet. Okay, so I'd be like leaning bearish here. For a short position. We are on this hourly, so I think a short here would be fine. And we do have like some LRLR here. I did see on the 1 minute. I'm meant to go right before market open. Yeah, so like here. Decent LRLR here. On like the 5 minute. Yeah. See this LRLR on the 5 minute? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. So I mean, this should get ran. So market open, I'd look for like a Judas swing up. Maybe sweeping this high. Some high in a gap. Actually, probably either this high or even this high is fine. Or even if we respect this, then I look for short. Okay, so here's open. Let's see if we get anything. Okay, we sweep that. So we did sweep out this high. We have a 30-second short here, which is pretty good. If we death candle it, yeah, okay. So who would take this? LRR below, 4-hour relative equals below. I mean, this makes sense. Scale. I'll probably do a hard swap here. We should not like go back up. And then I would want to see take profit be basically at this low. I would scale some there, then leave some for the relative equals below, which are really far, but I think those do get hit. 100% a full size trade. This is, I mean, I don't really see a world where this loses. Yeah, I mean, this should like work pretty fast here. Okay, yeah, wow. So scale there. Break even. Probably scale again here, and then hold the rest. Because I do have conviction to relatively close. So let's see. Okay, so scale some more there, 50 out there. And then leave the rest for the lows. So those relative equal lows down here. Yeah, right here. That would be my final take profit. Okay. Alright, I'm going to trail stop above this high. Because we put an order block in, I don't really see why this would stall. And bang. Okay, that's easy. I mean, that was a really easy drawing footer. Yeah, relative equal lows. Really easy. Anybody have any questions about this setup? Nope. Perfect. I mean, this is pretty textbook. LRLR, relative equal lows, 2 good draw and liquidity. Look for a short off open. Okay. Next step. So I would be bullish here, probably. Actually, I should have asked you guys, but something at this low inside of this fair value gap. Actually, I would be bullish unless this broke, I think, or even like here. But I'd probably look for, honestly, a long right now is fine in this from this gap. Maybe we have like an S&P somewhere. Yeah, see, we have an we're gonna get an S&P at this low. So we got we'll probably get an S&P this low. Hopefully. Maybe not. Okay. That's fine. I mean, we don't need to. 5 minute long here. Doesn't look bad. I mean, we are in a 15-minute. It's at 8:30. Was this news? I think this is news, actually. What day is this? Thursday? Yeah, 8:30 news. Okay, so that's actually data low. So I would not be long in that. We also left relatively close on ES. We do have a short here. Okay. I'm going to take this. Relatively close on ES. I'm going to take it half size just because it's a short at all-time highs. Still, like, sometimes data lows do play around. I don't hate it though. Break even here. And break even trade, okay. So would have been a break even trade there. So I would have been break even there when it's hit that low and break even trade. Break even does not save me there. That's fine. I'd be looking for a long after we sweep this. Preferably ES goes and takes out its low. Okay. So ES takes out its low there. So now I want to look for longs. The 15-minute is holding, so that's still a good sign. So definitely like a long backup would be good. We have a V shape at 9 o'clock, but now this kind of looks like we want to go for the other low because we did break that 15-minute. So I'm probably just gonna wait for maybe open here or structure. Oh wait, we have that SMT, don't we? Yeah, never mind. Wait, we have that SMT. I totally forgot about that. Would I take this though? Is this even big enough? No, not even close. Okay. I wouldn't take that 30-second then. I would take this 5-minute though in like, yeah, I would take this. I do like this setup. 5-minute long basically. You're running into a lot of other gaps. It's not really a good break even. I mean, yeah, not the best break even, so maybe I just take it half size just because of that reason. So I'm gonna take this one half size because there's not really a good break even, and I'm just gonna target a base it 1-to-1. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. And then I think based on this react, is this open? Wait, opens in 2 minutes actually. Oh wow, break even trade, okay. So break even trade, good thing it was a break even. That's why you go break even, not just get destroyed. Probably want to go for this low and then maybe get a long off that, but I think I'd rather have the long come from here. Yeah. I think I'd rather have the long. Could we miss the low there? We do have a short. I don't hate this 30-second SMR. Like, I think this works to the lows. So I might try that because we did leave relatively close. Okay. I'm gonna try this short. Half size again because it's all-time highs. I'm just gonna go for like 1R basically. Might scale a little bit early because it's not really 1R to the low. But I think this should work because we did leave relatively equal lows, kind of. Like, I don't know why we would not sweep this. And we do have an SMT on it, I guess, but I feel like this should work. Like, if we want a long, then it should have already happened, and because it hasn't happened yet, we probably want to go lower maybe for this low. That's kind of what I'm getting at. So I'd go break even here. Okay, so break even there, and then it's probably gonna be break even trade. Oh, never mind. All right, I'm scaling there. I'm all out there. Okay, so another good trade there. And then once we sweep here, I mean, the long would be better here. I mean, we are in a 5-minute, so I mean, it's not horrible. There's not even a point of taking this long because it's gonna be a break-even trade like every time. Like, you enter this, your break-even's right there. It's like, why even enter it? I might as well try it not. Okay, so that actually just failed. So that long failed, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, I'd want a long from here. This would be the highest time frame suit. We don't get it. Okay. Yeah, I would just go next day. I already took a one. Took that short. So we set that to slow. This is a rejection block right here. So we did reject off of that. So I'd be bullish here probably. Looking for a continuation long back up to these highs. Right, these are relatively equal highs, so continuation long back up to those. I'd probably want to see a sweep of this low and then a long. That's like dream scenario probably. Okay, bunch of nothing. Cool. Okay, Judah swing down and open. Left of 930 wick. Cool. 1 minute long right here would be textbook. Damn, it's invalid. Unfortunate. Invalid long there. Oh, I remember this day. This is there was a 30-second entry, but you would have got bottom tick break even anyways. This is that Powell's thing. This is at 10 a.m. huge news, remember? Yeah. Okay. So no trades here. I'm gonna look for one more win, and I'll probably call it there. Actually, we can finish. Might as well finish August. Okay, I'm bullish here. We're in a 4 hour for value gap. I'd probably look for like a pullback. Not 50% of that because it doesn't align. Probably 50% of the hourly range, not the 4 hour here. So like to here, and then I'd want a long from here. I think I remember this day. This is the day where we missed 50, ain't it? So open, Judah swings us down, and then we miss 50, and we get a long on the 32nd, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so there's a Judah swing, and then we get a long on the 32nd, yep. Okay. So, I think I still would take this. And we did miss 50, but 50 doesn't align with anything that's significant, so why marry it? That's like what Reliable has taught me. Like if we're in a 4 hour gap, why marry 50? So I'd probably just try this like, and we left at 930 wick. Yeah, 930 wick here. It is kind of protected though, but I mean, yeah, we shouldn't. That much momentum back up is kind of crazy. I'm gonna take it half size though, just because we did miss 50%, so it wouldn't be A+. So half size, and I'd probably be all out at the 930 wick. Scale at 1R. Okay, so there's take profit 1 hit. I would scale 75% there. Stop loss to break even, and then rest probably all out at the 930 wick. We should not stall here off this wick. I'm gonna trail this order block right below it. And I got tapped out there. Okay, I would have been breaking anyways. Cool. And then we missed the low. I'd just be out of that day. Just take my one. I would be, what would I be? Bullish, probably. Hourly inversion here. Hourly was pretty significant. Yeah, I'd probably be bullish here and then look for some sort of long. Actually, I don't know because we are holding this 4 hour, so this little gap in the leg. I'd probably be like neutral here. I wouldn't really be what would you guys be here? Neutral, break, or bullish, bearish? I feel like here it's kind of in a weird spot because we're kind of between two gaps. But I'm leaning bullish, especially with all-time highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna play price, let open do its thing, and see where price is at. Yeah, just play what you see. Okay, so we accumulated here. Open either manipulates up then goes down. Okay, we are getting a short. Okay, invalid short. I was gonna take that. Wait, unless there was a 30-second I just missed. No, not really. I was gonna take that because we did have all this LRLR. 30-second long here. This kind of sucks. I don't really love it because we didn't see about all this LRLR. So I do think we go back to the low resistance liquidity. Okay, that worked. Interesting. See, wait, go back. I missed it. I'd still be looking to short here because we still left liquidity. You see how this long, like, yeah, it worked, but like we didn't run all this LRLR. I'd want it to come to at least this gap to get a long. So like right now I'm actually leaning more bearish. Like this 2-minute short looks fire. 2-minute short, 944. It's kind of a wiki close. I mean, I do think we run the LRLR though. Yeah, I'll take it. I'm gonna take it half size though again, and I think I'll add in if we get like, or maybe I just go half size hold for the low. But maybe I add in if I see like a 30-second order block get put in. Let's see. Okay, I didn't even give time. So yeah, you see how we go for that low in that gap, guys? See how we go for this low? So, I mean, I'm going to scale out there. I'll be out there. Yeah, and we go for that low in that gap, right? Because when we run LRLR, we usually run all of it. And the fact that we didn't run all of it here means that we're probably going to return to it. That's what happened. So, good play there. Here's a nutty long. Holy. Oh, yeah. I think there's a 3-minute. Everyone's taking this 30-minute. So this 3 minutes also a good play. We held the 5 here. We're V-shaping back up. SMT at the lows. I'll take the 3 as well, half size, because I already took a win. In live time, I'm not taking this play if I've already taken a win, right? I only take 1 win a day. But obviously it's backtesting, so I'll take it. So 3-minute long here. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think that's a break even, probably. Yeah. I mean, that's a break even trade. We already made a new internal high and then took it. So break even. This would have been a break even trade. Yeah, break even. Okay, cool. All right, next day. 27th. Trying to go a little quicker because don't do too long. I would be bullish here to these highs. Probably a check yes. Yeah. Bullish to these highs. I'd want to see probably this get swept. Or maybe even just this 15-minute low right here. Probably just that, because we do have stacked highs here. We left relatively equal highs above. So I want to see this low get swept, then a long here maybe. Okay, no long there. Long right here would be fire. Alright, I would 100% be taking this. We did leave equal highs, but I think that's fine. Doesn't make it invalid until we take out the high. So, is it a 30-second? 30-second closed. So I probably would have gotten on the 30-second, but we did leave equal highs. I mean, I still think we blast above them. So I will take this one full size. I mean, it is pre-market, so maybe I just take it half. I do like if I take a full size loss pre-market, then I can't trade New York Open. which kind of like, I don't like that. Break even, let me go sweep out this again. And break even trade, yeah. Break even trade there because we took out that high. Break even trade. Okay, cool. Break even does not save us. Slash does save us. So come back down. We go all the way below. I think we have an SMT now. Wait, no, we don't. Never mind. I would be looking. This 3 minute looks decent. Okay, we don't get it there. So we don't get the 3 minute there. Oh, we get a little 930 open Judah swing play. Did we tap into a hard time from PD Ray? Oh, we did. 15 minute low gets swept here. Delivery out of for value gap. 1 minute long here. I mean, who would take this? I personally would probably take this. I don't mind it. $50-minute low swept inside of a gap. We're still holding the 4 hour. I mean, I don't really see an issue with it. Are we in like a daily maybe? No. But I put my stop loss at the low if it's a long wick. Technically here it's a pretty long wick, but I don't really see why we'd go below this here. Off this momentum alone, like we're putting in an order block. I guess I can do that. Go like here. Okay, close the trade. Hello, close the trade. Thank you. Stop like at the low here. Targeting this high maybe. Well, targeting 1-to-1, but yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a trend line right here. Okay, live time. I'd probably go break even at the trend line because that's just what I do. So yeah. So this is like where break even at the trend line comes into play. When you start making a trend line here, what is happening? Alrighty. So I mean, if this loses, it loses. I mean, I can not go break even here, but okay, I'll go break even there, right? Break even there and break even trade. Cool. So break even trade, but usually I go break even at the trend line if it's like right on it and I see rejection. I'll just cut it. Okay, really choppy. We have a 1 minute long here that just got destroyed. I feel like this long, oh, you're in a 3 minute, so yeah, you never take that. You would take the 3 there, but not the 1. 3 minutes still held, so no entry. Okay, there's a 3 minute entry, but we're in a 4 and we are in a 5. I don't know if I really even like this setup. Actually, I don't hate it. We still are holding this 50-minute gap. But at the same time, I don't love it. I feel like the momentum's kind of mid here. I'll probably like, I'm gonna wait. If we got an order block, I'll get in. Okay, I'm gonna get in there. Let's get in there. I like that order block put in. So now we have a 1 minute order block put in with momentum. So stop would go here, and then I'll target this high up here. So market order in there. All time frames. Actually, the 4 hasn't closed. 5 minute has though. Highest time frame, most obvious gap is the 3. Oh, let's see. All right, break even there. I'd probably scale here. I'm gonna scale 50% there and then leave the rest for this high. Because this is a high on a gap, I might as well take some off. And bang, cool. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. I haven't taken a single loss here. Probably because, I mean, this one I don't really remember. I don't really remember this one at all. I only entered this off the order block and put in because I don't like this chop. Then I see this candle. This candle kind of gives me some hope. Do we leave LRLR below? Not really. That's not really a trend line. Just a lineup. Alright, next day. One-minute breaker was activated, yeah. What day is it? 28th. Yeah, I might just call it here. I'm low-key hungry. I want to go eat food. We have like 4 more days or 3 more days. But I'm gonna show analytics. But I'm like hungry right now. 88% win rate. Obviously, I'm gonna be like truthful with you guys. Like some of those setups I do remember. So obvious, like because it's just like a month ago. Some of them I didn't, but regardless, it's just like I'm just trying to. Regardless if I see this setup or if I remember or not, I'm just trying to show you like what's a good setup, what's not. But yeah, so I'll just call that for August. Does anybody have any trades they want me to review? Psychology issues they want me to go over? Anything like that? If not, I'll wrap it up there. I think I might try to do like other types of classes, like go into detail with like some certain things, like rather than just backtesting, like next weekend. I know, bro, I'll go eat. Because I feel like I'm gonna be running out. Any vids you recommend to learn scaling / where to put break even? Wait. I think this right here. Right, so that's a break even video. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna just check real quick. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah, this is a break even. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, man. I post. This is me, guys. Could maybe make a trade review channel specifically for class, go over trades in detail. For what trades? Backtesting trades? Or like the live trades? It's in socials, Navi. Appreciate it. Go follow my socials, guys. Oh, I mean that's just executions. Oh, you mean like go over the details for the class? Yeah. I see what you're saying. I'll just go text. Okay. I'll go like class review topics. So class review topics. Can you guys see that in the where it says text? You have general after hours questions text. Like right here. You guys see that? Yeah, okay. Okay. Here, post trades or any topics you want to review in weekend class. Okay. Fire. On stream, guys, I've taken On live trading, I'm taking 3 wins, 1 loss so far. Anyways, for the weekly outlook, we're cooked. Actually, kind of, not really. Maybe. We have this government bullshit that's still bullshitting, and it's pissing me off, so yeah. Markets are probably cooked until this is done. I'm probably gonna be half size the entire time as the shutdown is in. If like, bro, this, I mean, we're gonna have NFP this week if the shutdown. I'm hoping it stops by tomorrow, because then we'll have NFP this week. But if you go to like, government shutdown update, I don't think like anything's happening. I'm pretty sure like Trump was just like golfing or something. People are just like not getting paid. My markets are getting cooked. Like, what's happening, man? But I read like it's, and there's little sign of progress as federal employees across the country and other Americans begin to feel the effects. Yeah, it's chopped, bro. Like, we literally just need to like stop. Like, what are we doing? Can we, like, it just ruins the trading because you get no news. Like, I'm pretty sure all of this news then is gonna become tentative, and then like we just get no red folder news. Biden PA was fire, bro. Biden PA was so easy. Trump's PA has been horrible. Well, not horrible, but like definitely not as consistent. Anyways, I'm not gonna get